All right, Danny Hysock here with Colin Inc., helping people do their business better. One of the requests was to test the Plantronics Voyager 3200 so that we can test the audio quality of it. So that's what we're gonna do, because this is like a everyday normal type activity. They drive with their headsets on. And so we're gonna go check that out. Here we are, we're driving down the road. Right now there's no music playing. So it should just be my voice. I'm gonna try to turn up the radio now. So now we have the radio playing in the background. Test 1 2 3. Again, this is the Plantronics Voyager 3200 UC. It's designed to work with not only my mobile device but also my PC for soft phone use via the BT600 dongle. And again, the radio's on right now. And so let's do this test. We're gonna roll the window down and see what that sounds like. Okay, so now the window's rolled down. The radio's on. Test 1 2 3. Again, the Plantronics Voyager 3200 UC. Car just drove by. All right, so of course we don't know what it sounds like until we get back into the office. But we'll get back to the office and we'll play this thing and we'll see how it all sounds. If you like this type video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Be sure to comment and just ask us what kind of videos you guys want to see, and we'll do our best to get them up there. Again, thanks so much. So this is why I love Florida. It's what is it? We're in January. It's like 100 degrees out. At least that's what it seems like. You know,
yeah.
Like the sun shining, water all around. It's awesome.